I will show you how to create animated volume bar in DaVinci Resolve 21. So, here is my footage. This is a test video on how to create your animated volume bar in DaVinci Resolve 21. Go to Fusion page. Shift plus space and add background node. Adjust the background to be gradient. Add one more color in the middle. Make it first color to be green, the middle one yellow, and the last one red. Shift gradient to be vertical. Add rectangle mask to the background node. Adjust the width. Adjust the background gradient to start and finish at the mask edges. Then right-click on the height property, modify width and select Fairlight Animator. Go to modify section and you can change from scale slider how big that changes to be. Now the height is changing depends on the volume. This is a test video on how to create your animated volume bar in DaVinci Resolve 21.